Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we are going exercise 5F to question to simplify a cube b minus xy cube whole square. So a minus b whole square formula will be used here, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So in place of a cube b is there, in place of b x y cube is there. So a cube b whole square minus 2, a means a cube b means xy cube plus xy cube whole square. So it will be a to the power 6 b square minus 2a cube b xy cube plus x square y to the power 6. Now question 2, 3 by 5a minus 10b whole square. So here also we will apply a minus b whole square formula, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So at 3 by 5a whole square minus 2 into 3 by 5a into 10b plus 10b whole square. So here you can see 3 square means 9, 5 square means 25, a square means a square, and 12ab will come because 5 and 10 will cancel, 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, so 12ab, and 10b square means 100b square. Now question number 3, we have to find out the square of this by using identity. 102 whole square. So 102 we can write 100 plus 2 whole square, that is in a plus b whole square form. So we can write a square plus 2ab plus b square, that means 100 square plus 2 into 100 into 2 plus 2 square. So we simplify this one, 10,000 plus 400 plus 4, and by adding this we will get 10404. So this one is converted to a plus b whole square form. So if we have to do minus, then minus formula we will use. Suppose 99 given, so then we will use 100 minus 1. 99 also can be used 90 plus 9, but we will use 100 minus 1 because our calculation will be easy. So here now given 199 whole square. So this one we will write as 200 minus 1 whole square. We can write 100 plus 99 square, but calculation will be more harder, more multiplication have to do. So 200 minus 1 whole square will be better for this. So now it is in a minus b whole square form. So 200 square minus 2 into 200 into 1 plus 1 square. Simplify it, 40,000 minus 400 plus 1. First we will add which are positive, then subtract. That means 39601. After simplification we are getting. So here we are using a minus b whole square formula. So according to the question we can do plus and minus. Plus also can be done if 100 plus 99 we do and use a plus b whole square formula, then also we will get the same answer. Just more calculations have to do. Now question number 4, 225x square plus 70x plus 49 is given, and value of x is given minus 1. We have to find out. So 25x square plus 70x plus 49 we can write as 5x square plus 2 dot 5x dot 7 plus 7 square. So it is in the form now a plus b whole square, so we can write 5x plus 7 whole square. And if x is equal to minus 1, that means if you replace x by minus 1, then what will be 5 into minus 1 and plus 7 whole square will be there. So 5 into minus 1 means minus 5 plus 7 whole square, then 7 minus 5 means positive 2, positive 2 whole square is already there, so 2 square is equal to 4. So this is the answer. Question number 6 given x plus 1 by x is equal to 5, and we have to find out x square plus 1 by x square and x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. So two questions are given. So first we will find out x square plus 1 by x square. For that one, x plus 1 by x whole square, both side we will do whole square. X plus 1 by x is given, so both side we are doing whole square, and after doing whole square it is in formula x square plus 2 dot x dot 1 by x plus 1 x square is equal to 25. X cancel, 2 that side we can transfer, then x square plus 1 by x square we have got 23. That means a plus b whole square formula is used here. And then again we need x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. For that one, what we will do, again we will do whole square, this one whatever we have got, that means x square plus 1 by x square whole square, 23 we are getting, so 23 square. So again a plus b whole square form, so x square whole square will be there first, then x square whole square plus 2ab means 2 dot x square dot 1 by x square plus 1 by x square whole square equal to 529. 23 into 23 means 529. So now x square whole square means x to the power 4. Here x square cancelled, only 2 left. plus 1 by x to the power 4 is equal to 529. This 2 we will transfer to that side, and 529 minus 2 means we will get 527. Question number 9. Here given x plus y is equal to 9 and xy is equal to 16. We need to find out x square plus y square. So x plus y equal to 9 given both side whole square do. Then left hand side it is in the form x plus y whole square. That means a plus b whole square form. X square plus 2xy plus y square is equal to 81. 9 square means 81. Now xy value is given 16. So we will put that one. That means we will first write x square plus y square, and 2 into 16 we will write. In place of xy we will write 16. Then 2 into 16 means 32 will be there. So it is written x square plus y square plus 2 into 16 equal to 81 is there. So it is becoming 32. That 32 is transferred to that side, and after transferring, do the simplification. 81 minus 32 means 49. Your answer is 49.